case on that, so Senate resolution league had a major lately. January the county Amnesty International, Senator Cardini is sponsored by Human Rights Watch, and there's two other people. So March 8th, Senate resolution can behave the 9th Democratic. Senate beating the resolution to Kandabro or Republican majority or a so they have to have a Republican co-sponsor for the so when they can cut it's a long process in our company language, it's a very area. So after they need a Republican to co-sponsor. So once you go on Senator Gilly Kabate, Senator Ron by you will not have to rainy day. What can be delayed? You have to wait. For a very long time, it has to happen. Because of that, Senate resolution, it has White and they have an official co-sponsor, Republican, and actually you might as well say that Marco Rubio is the co-sponsor, and I want to thank Florida for that. So, Tanasi, we the advocates we did that. Because we can state directly the building, Tennessee, Georgia, Minnesota, they are more aligned with our issues, human rights issues. Can I give you? Yo Nujirane, link in Sunjirade, Yo Kubak Abane, is in Kubak Abatu. A Kubak Abatani for the Mokan do, I can't do what I can do Pistani, what I can mark Tanini. We need a strategy to get it. March to the Bilam over the March to the Ma. Your resolution to your more Kambarban, Kamburura, Kambarban, hearing Iberban, go to the refugee. If Tiana hearing can I go from more, your Imikan, your Waroni Filamekuni, you personally has related to it, what if Rokokin and the Dundalon? Rokokin and the Dundalon. The only by application, you have most of us are citizens, legally, we cross border legally, citizen. We have a power to vote. Our vote will change that. They care about that. But Kenya, Senator from Illinois, Senator Kerr, is Republican. One, the officer, he's willing, he's considering, we're talking about, they've followed the resolution. At Christmas hearing, even though congressional birthday from the House side, they have to be involved in it. You guys have to involve them. Who is involved in voting, yours in the end of the scene, with the more academic that involved in voting, after the voting, we will make that happen for you guys. It's no more some go to after it.
You're not to break up today, please, Kanaboda, Senanoga, the Triboda, or Peter Butidra, tomorrow's logistics. A committee, the Jurura, the Kabulera, the Haja, Ina, Kajo, or ATC, Nufutani, Lugara, Aeronin, the Mality, one is supervised.